Hello, today I'm going to show you WatchGuard integration with ConnectWise Automate, which is a remote monitoring and management tool for managing devices on networks. With WatchGuard and ConnectWise Automate integration, you will be able to control the security of your devices and at the same time run actions on computers in an easy way, saving you time and cost. So let's see how to perform the preparations to use WatchGuard Endpoint Security plugin in ConnectWise Automate. The first thing to do is the installation of the plugin in your ConnectWise Automate Control Center. You will have to access the Solution Center and search for WatchGuard. Then click on the item that is shown as the result of your search and click on the Q button. The plugin will be installed in your ConnectWise Automate Control Center. Your next step will be to enable the plugin in the Plugin Manager section within ConnectWise Automate Control Center, and this will make the plugin available to you. Once the plugin is installed and enabled, the next action to do is the configuration of it. This will be done in two steps: connection setting and client accounts mapping. To set the connection of the plugin with WatchGuard systems, you will need to use certain parameters available to you in your account area of WatchGuard Cloud, under the Administration and Manage Access section. You will need to open the plugin by clicking the Tools icon in ConnectWise Automate Center and then the WatchGuard Endpoint Security option. After the plugin is loaded, access the connection window where you will have to introduce the administration and manage access data that you got from WatchGuard Cloud. To test the configuration, click on the Test Connection button. If the connection is correct, you can click on the Connect button to save the data in your system. The plugin allows service providers to manage several accounts in the same console, as well as subscribers to use it for managing their own account. To map accounts between WatchGuard and ConnectWise Automate, click on Clients Mapping, where you will be presented a list of accounts in ConnectWise Automate that you can map to your managed accounts of WatchGuard. Identify the account in ConnectWise that you want to map and select the appropriate account of WatchGuard from the drop-down list. The selection of an account will load the WatchGuard ID and licenses information. When the mapping is finished, click the Save button. You can add, change or remove accounts mapping anytime without affecting the rest of the accounts already mapped. With the configuration done, you are ready to operate the plugin. However, you can also configure the creation of alerts and tickets when certain conditions are met regarding the security in your computers. You will click on Alerts and Tickets and the configuration page will open. There are 7 triggers available for you to use, as follows. Protection status error, meaning that one or more machines return errors in the protection status report. Machines without license or overallocated. This will occur when WatchGuard detects one or more machines without a valid license or that are overallocated. Restart required. Whenever one or more machines are pending to restart due to WatchGuard protection upgrade. Installation fail. This condition will occur whenever there are errors in the installation of WatchGuard protection in one or more machines. Malware and PUP executed. Whenever WatchGuard has detected that one or more machines have executed malware or PUP. And finally, indicators of attack detected. This occurs whenever WatchGuard detects an indicator of attack in one or more machines. You can configure each condition separately, indicate a system to create an alert, and the email that will receive the alert. You can also mark the Create Ticket check if you want the plugin to create a ticket in ConnectWise. When the condition is met, a ticket will be created in ConnectWise like this one. As mentioned, the objective of WatchGuard integration with ConnectWise Automate is to help you controlling the security of your devices easily with the minimum effort and time. The overview page of the plugin gives you a unique view of the security KPIs in all your customer accounts. For each one of the customers, you are informed of the number of machines with WatchGuard agent installed and different security detections within a period of time that you can select among the following options: last 24 hours, last 7 days, last month. You can click on the name of a customer or on any KPI and the plugin will take you to the page for that specific client. In this page, you will be presented a more detailed view of the client, separated in 4 sections. The first section shows client KPIs, malware activity detected, and pub activity detected. The second section is called Manage Computers and shows a list of computers where WatchGuard Agent is installed. This list includes important information for each computer: hostname, IP address, operating system, and information regarding the security status of each item contained in WatchGuard Protection. If you click on the three dots at the end of each line, you will be able to perform certain actions on devices that can help you controlling the security to meet your needs. Assign a security configuration. This will offer you a list of configurations created in Ether console that you can assign to the device. Uninstall WatchGuard Agent from the device. Scan the computer. Isolate the computer and stop the isolation of the computer. The next section is the Unmanaged Computers section. This is the computers in the client network where WatchGuard Agent is not installed. This page will help you to install WatchGuard Agent in all devices to keep the assets secure. The last section of this page is dedicated to reporting. Here you can find details of the detections that have occurred in each machine within a period of time. You can filter by hostname and threat detected, and the list will be updated. To get more information about WatchGuard's integration with ConnectWise, you can access WatchGuard Help Center, click on Endpoint Security Help, Third-Party Plugins, ConnectWise Automate, and follow the instructions available.